Are you looking for the best wooden spatula? In this video, we will break down the top 4 wooden spatula. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. OXO Good Grips Wooden Corner Spoon. The broad, deep head of this solid beechwood spoon has a flat edge that tapers into an angled corner, specially designed for scraping pot bottoms and reaching into corners. It's best for deglazing pots for making gravy and would also be good for stir-frying or sautéing, as the wide, paddle-shaped head can move a lot of food around quickly. The handle is sturdy, with rounded corners and a flattened top and sides, so that it's comfortable to hold in a solid grip. On the downside, the shape of the head means it would work best for right-handed cooks, and it's thicker and bulkier than some of our other picks, making it less ideal for tasks that would require a finer tool for more precision. At number 2. Rivera Wooden Spoons for Cooking. The Rivera Wooden Spoons for Cooking, which features a tactical and reliable bamboo utensil set that provides helpful implements for every task. Whether you are flipping, tasting, or serving, this set comes with everything you need. This deluxe assortment of wooden utensil sets is made from 100% organic non-stick bamboo, which doesn't scratch pots or pans and also makes food debris easy to rub off, as well as remaining odor and stain resistant. With a practical design and functionality, this utensil set has been designed to perform an array of kitchen tasks. Each tool has a contoured head so you can perform precise functions. This set comes with a slotted, solid, and turner wooden spatula, which is ideal for flipping and mixing ingredients, while the solid and slotted wooden spoon means that preparing tasting foods is easy. The smooth, comfortable handles mean that using them is incredibly easy. The spoon fork helps to provide versatility when sipping, eating, and serving. The bamboo construction means that this utensil set is easy to wash with warm soap and water before being wiped clean. The non-stick and durable bamboo helps to resist moisture, meaning that you don't have to worry about any mold accumulating on the tools. At number 3. Neat Wooden Spoon 6-Piece Utensil Set. This set from Neat includes 5 utensils and a cylindrical bamboo utensil holder. The pieces in the set are made from organic bamboo, making them more durable than many other wooden options. The bamboo material has a natural non-stick coating, which makes the utensils easy to clean. A wooden spoon, slotted spoon, rounded fork, turner spatula, and slotted spatula are included in the set to meet a variety of cooking needs. Each piece offers a countered head and smooth, flat handles for comfort. The pieces in this set should be hand-washed with warm water and soap and allowed to air dry for best results. At number 4. Le Creuset Revolution Scraping Spoon. Le Creuset's Revolution Scraping Spoon is specially designed with a blunt end to scrape ingredients from the bottom of the pan when browning meats, sautéing vegetables, or making gravy. The scraping spoon is made from beechwood, a durable wood that's also soft enough to use on non-stick pots and pans or other surfaces that scratch easily. The spoon's handle has an elliptical shape that makes it easy and comfortable to hold while also providing a non-slip grip. An eyelet is integrated into the design of the scraping spoon for hanging. The beechwood resists absorbing flavors and odors, and it can be easily cleaned by hand washing. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.